Welcome to this shortwave radio channel, and here it is. This is the K180WLA antenna received this morning by mail. So power and solder box. Of course, this is the amplifier box at the antenna. Comes with very interesting cables too, including one that is to adapt to portable receivers, and this is very nice because that's something that a lot of us are trying to find. So it comes with different cables. It comes with a big cable for the do power and bring it in. Has everything you need, even the metal collar to actually put it up, which is very interesting. Screws. The only thing missing, probably, from what I understand, was the battery. There's a battery that powers this, so we're going to check that out because it means that it probably needs the battery. So it's here, and of course, what do you think I'm going to do this afternoon? At some point, I'm going to install this outside. This will take the place, possibly, of my W6 LVP loop. And I will probably put the W6 LVP loop in the back rather than in the front. So we'll be looking at that anyways, and what possibility. Or the other thing I was thinking is maybe just replacing one of the two MLA30 antennas with this one. So that could be also a possibility. So of course everything is in here. Very nice little package. And was very well wrapped to make sure that it goes in and that it doesn't break during the shipping and everything. So it's kind of cool. So of course we'll have a review of this antenna after I try it. Also, what's cool on this antenna is that it is capable of going up to 180 megahertz, which is kind of nice. And it says here 0.1 to which is 100 kilohertz all the way up to 180 megahertz. Be interesting to test it on VHF, and that's what I will do, and those tests will be on the VHF UHF channel. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.